Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine, I'm your French teacher and I'm here to teach you French. Comment ça va? Only a few days left before ringing the new year. How about impressing your guests and loved ones with French for the occasion? They might think you are drunk, but you will know better. Welcome to this short and fun episode. And if you're new here, this podcast is dedicated to beginners and travelers. And each time I try to share my best tip to make you speak and learn French as fast as possible. You will find the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, or on my Facebook page. You don't really need it for this podcast. And coming this January, I will publish a series of episodes to boost your French and keep up with your resolution. You can make it. So please consider subscribing and following to get all my upcoming episodes as soon as I publish them. Again, I cannot thank you enough for being such great listeners. Are you ready to speak French? I will be right back after this short break. On va commencer avec la Saint-Sylvestre. La Saint-Sylvestre. I know the tr is hard. This is the official name of New Year's Eve in French. La Saint-Sylvestre. Let's try a sentence together. Ce soir, c'est la Saint-Sylvestre. Ce soir, c'est la Saint-Sylvestre. Tonight is New Year's Eve. Ce soir, c'est la Saint-Sylvestre. Your turn. Great. Le réveillon du jour de l'an. Le réveillon du jour de l'an. This is the unofficial name of New Year's Eve in French. Let's try again. Le réveillon du jour de l'an. Let's make a sentence. Ce soir, je passe le réveillon du jour de l'an avec mes voisins. Ce soir, je passe le réveillon du jour de l'an avec mes voisins. Tonight, I'm spending New Year's Eve with my neighbors. Make sure to inform your neighbors. Ce soir, je passe le réveillon du jour de l'an avec mes voisins. Try it. You can also say, ce soir, je passe le réveillon de la Saint-Sylvestre avec mes voisins. Le jour de l'an. Le jour de l'an is New Year's Day. Le jour de l'an. It means the day of the year. Le jour de l'an. It refers to January 1st. Let's try a sentence. Je prends de bonnes résolutions le jour de l'an. Je prends de bonnes résolutions le jour de l'an. I'm taking New Year's resolution. Of course, your top resolution should be to learn French. Je prends de bonnes résolutions le jour de l'an. Le nouvel an. Le nouvel an. It means the new year, and French refers to New Year's Eve. Le nouvel an. Le nouvel an, such as tu fais quoi pour le nouvel an? What are you doing on New Year's Eve? Tu fais quoi pour le nouvel an? Or, pour le nouvel an, j'invite ma belle famille. For New Year's Eve, I'm inviting my in-laws. Pour le nouvel an, j'invite ma belle famille. Again, nouvel an is the way that most French refers to New Year's Eve. Now, in French, we have two words for year, meaning we use one or the other depending on the context. I will explain the difference in an upcoming podcast. So, for Happy New Year, we use année. We don't use an anymore. And we say good year. And we often throw good health at the same time. Bonne année, bonne santé. Bonne année is Happy New Year. Bonne année. Bonne année, two words you have to link. Let's practice again. Bonne année, bonne santé. Bonne année et bonne santé. Great! And to finish, let's learn how to say 2022. 2022. Not dux, not dux. 2. 2022. Bonne année 2022. Bonne année 2022. Here you go. Now you can ring the New Year speaking French. I'll be so proud of you. Voilà, c'est la fin de cet épisode. Well, thank you all for this great year together. I'm looking forward to sharing more episodes with you and make you speak French in 2022. Stay safe, drink responsibly, and check on your loved one always. And if you're spending New Year's Eve by yourself, I will be with you in thoughts. Merci beaucoup, and thank you for listening. Please, as usual, share, review, and comment. It helps other listeners to discover this podcast. Bonne année 2022 et bonne santé. Merci, à bientôt. Au revoir.